informative. Atom model Bohr. Law for conservation of mass. Lavoisier. अस्तित्व संख्या स्केल रेंज यह चौथा न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ इनर्शिया photosynthesis site chloroplast to teach density which Archimedes principle activity principle density to teach chemical reaction in a baking soda plus vinegar to teach chemical reaction. Misconception in science. A heavier object fall faster. Science club objective. Develop scientific hobbies. Science club objective is लक्ष्य. Develop scientific hobby. Safety in lab wear Google apron. Wear Google and apron. Safety in lab. Objective is to develop scientific habits. Misconception science means heavier object fall faster. Misconception. No, resilience शीघ्र पड़ेगा. No. Formative system is continuous system. लगी थी. Summative means end of term. CC stands for comprehensive, continuous comprehensive education. Evaluation. Blueprint includes details of content of the Lakshya blueprint. Lakshya. Rubric used for assessing performance. Rubric. Assessing performance. Performance assess करें. Lecture method होची teacher center. Demonstration method of waste for demo देखिए बोलता. Science experiment demo. Heuristic method होची behavior Armstrong. Project method होची Kilpatrick project method. Project method Kilpatrick. Heuristic method होची Armstrong. Problem solving method steps. Identify, hypothesize, test, conclude. Problem solving method. Problem solving method. Steps. Identify, hypothesize, test, conclude. Actually, science means use a computer or internet or smart board. ICT in science. Smart board. TLM stands for teaching learning material. Improvised apparatus means low cost teaching aid. Improvised apparatus, low cost teaching aid. Inquiry method promote critical thinking. Heavy model engage, explore, explain, elaborate, evaluate. ICT in science means use of computer or internet smart board. TLM teaching learning material. Improvised apparatus means low cost teaching aid. Improvised. मैंने आइडेंटिफाई करो, हाइपोथेसाइज, टेस्ट या कंक्लूड. टेस्ट करो लास्ट समाधान. heuristic method ମାନେ first behavior Armstrong, project ହେଉଛି Kirkpatrick. Science is a system study of a natural phenomenon. ପ୍ରକୃତିରେ ଏମିତି 2.5 ସାଇନ୍ସ ଆଟ୍ ଅପର ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ଅଛି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଫର୍ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ଡେଭଲପ୍ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ୍ ଆଟିଚ୍ୟୁଡ୍ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଫେୟାର ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଡେଭଲପ୍ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ୍ ଆଟିଚ୍ୟୁଡ୍ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ହେଉଛି ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ୍ ଆଟିଚ୍ୟୁଡ୍ NCF 2005 Science at Upper Primary Content plus Process NCF 2005 Science at Upper Primary Content plus Process which Science Scientific method steps Problem hypothesis experiment conclusion Scientific method steps होती problem hypothesis experiment करियो conclusion scientific method aim of teaching science होती scientific temper teaching science लक्ष्य science fair object होती develop scientific attitude aim of teaching science scientific temper science fair object होती develop scientific attitude वैज्ञानिक attitude science होती individual differences due to heredity plus environment individual differences due to heredity वंशगत और परिवेश वंशगुण environment individual differences due to heredity ଯୋଗୁଁ environment ଯୋଗୁଁ dyslexia ହେଉଛି reading disability ପଢ଼ିବାରେ dyslexia ହେଉଛି writing disability ADHD ହେଉଛି anti diabetic attention deficit hyperactivity disorder gifted child IQ ଅନ୍ଧାଟିରୁ ଅଧିକ ସ୍ଲୋ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣର 90 inclusive education ମାନେ education for all slow learner IQ 90 gifted child above 130 Serialization child with special needs gifted child IQ slow learner IQ individual difference ହେଉଛି heredity environment dyslexia 14 gifted child IQ above 130 slow learner 90 inclusive education ମାନେ education for all stands for child with special needs RT right to education 14 6 to 14 dyslexia